Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this motion sensor switch. So this is USB powered, and let's open it up. So this is used for the project related to my last unboxing of the neon on air sign for when my cat uses her litter box. So this is the USB switch I got. So it's motion detecting up here. Planning on plugging in the neon on air sign into here, and then plug this in to power as well this other side. And once the motion is detected by the sensor, it will turn on the switch. So yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got this from, and let me know in the comments below on what you think of this motion sensor switch. Cool. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all next time. Later.